I know you see my lemonade braids, sis. Cute, right? So it's Tastepink, aka your favorite auntie. You know it's true. And I'm back with another episode from the clientele experience. And I thought today I should be the client. You know, I really want to develop this series because it's going to be lit. It's been so long since I stepped foot into a salon to get my hair done. So this was really nostalgic for me. And also I had to consult one of the most amazing stylists that I know. She's been doing my hair for a long time. D_styles_. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. She's killing it. And I definitely wanted to spotlight her. She's doing amazing things, and I'm so happy that I partnered with Toyokalon to debut the new Supreme Collections Super X TZ3 braid, honey. We're getting cute in summer 2019, okay? We're already cute, but we're taking it up a notch. So I'm not gonna hold you too much further. I haven't gotten my hair done by a stylist in forever, so sis, y'all gonna watch. Let's get into it. To start, my hair has already been clarified and deep conditioned, and D is just going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster in Sweet Peach, which smells amazing. But I also wanted to talk about the energy of the salon because the vibe is there. Sis, is so much love, and I think that's so important because energy is transferable, and that all lends to the clientele experience. Now, I met with D prior to sitting in her chair because I really wanted, you know, to make sure that she can capture the essence of the style I'm trying to do. Since she's done my hair in the past, she knows what I like. She's very familiar. She knows I'm particular, but I trust her, and I think that's so important. And I also recommend having your consultation prior to actually sitting in the chair, so you have time to discuss your hair care needs, your preferences, things that you may have concerns about as far as products, how your scalp will respond. Those things are all valid. And also, you guys are gonna see D gets busy. She's actually going in right now to create these very small, intricate braids using my natural hair, and these are going to be like the accent braids that are in between the more large kind of jumbo lemonade braids. And so now she's going in with the Supreme Collections Super X TZ3 braid, and this is in the color 1. This hair is so much like natural hair. It looks, it feels just like textured hair that I'm accustomed to, and there's no like crazy tangling. You know how you be fighting with your hair? Okay, you're not gonna be doing that with this. And also, my hair is much lighter than the color number 1, but it still worked out perfectly. And I just wanted to share a little bit of details about the actual hair that D is using for the lemonade braids. So the Supreme Collections Super X TZ3 braid, it has 3 bundles of hair per pack, sis. I don't even think we used 2 packs. Like, I think we used only 1 for this entire style. Like, D really went off. Like, I just think, of course, these braids were larger, but there's so much hair within a pack. You really can't beat that. So it's more equitable, it's more affordable. And this braid right here is so important. Like, she really slayed this. This is like the braid of all braids for this style. And before you guys comment, my scalp is perfectly fine. Again, D is not new to this. She's true to this. She knows me. And, you know, when things are going a little bit more fast paced, it looks like my head is moving everywhere. But trust me, we were chopping it up. I just was super relaxed and very comfortable. And also, my scalp gets so red. Like, I have a very sensitive scalp, so that is something to keep in mind, and be sure to communicate that with your stylist so they know, like, I have to be a little bit more gentle, because sometimes your stylist may be getting so into it that they forget, you know, to accommodate your needs. And D's part game is crazy, giving angles, clean parts. I mean, hats off, period. And also, don't be afraid to help your stylist along. You know what I'm saying? Use those hands. You know how feeding braids can be. And I'm glad to assist, but y'all see the back of that head? That hair is living. Yes. Dee is super efficient and time conscious, just taking the time to separate the hair in the beginning so that when we move into the install, it's super smooth. And honey, you know, when you don't want to be in the salon for like 3 hours, you don't have to be. And that's something that you can also, you know, kind of guide and, you know, consult your stylist about. Like, I only want to be in the chair for at most 2 hours.
I got something to tell ya. You won't believe how many people straight out of the flow. Most said that I was a failure. Now the same motherfuckers asking me for dough. When I'm yelling, I can't help ya. Yo, Nelly, can we get tickets to the next show? Hell no. For real. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, with 3 willing in the 4 with the goatee.
You guys can see braiding this hair is a breeze. You know, just take that gel, use, you know, modest amounts as you are moving down the length of the braid. You know, you just want to keep a more sleek look and tame those flyaways. So right now, Dee is applying this mousse, and this is really good to set the braids. I didn't think this would be like a really good step because I've never implemented it, but honey, the way this lays the hair. And she also used Satin neck strips to wrap it. And then Dee set me under the dryer, didn't forget about me. It was 8 minutes and the timer went off. And, you know, we went in to dip the ends of the hair, and that just creates, you know, a very sleek and very finished look for the ends. And you know it wouldn't be finished if we didn't hit that hairspray. Let's get into it. One time for the culture. And I'm so thankful. And I want to give a special shout out to Dee Styles. Make sure you follow her on Instagram at D_styles_. Now I wanted to talk to you guys about maintenance, the hair care routine after you get your braids. So for me, I like to do a leave-in hot oil treatment, and I use a combination of carrier oils like apricot oil, and then I like to add in some of my favorite essential oils. And then I place this in a mug and I microwave it so that it's nice and warm when I apply it to the scalp, and then I massage it in. And you can do this every day or every other day or as needed. And then when I prepare to go to bed, I like to use a nice satin scarf to wrap the braids and keep them together. You can also use a hairnet on the ends if you're concerned about, you know, unruly frizz and you just want to keep them as neat as possible. But be sure to subscribe, turn those notifications on. Be sure to tell a friend, share this with your homeboy, your homegirl. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling my lemonade braids, sis. And kiki with me in the comments. I'd love to hear your commentary. Thank you so much for all the support, and make sure you check out Dee at D_styles_. And I hope to see you in the next one. I love y'all.